Okay, guys, I want to talk to you about this Kirkland brand fast-acting lactose. So if you're lactose intolerant, we love the Kirkland brand. I just want to show you the box. This is the package it comes in. It helps with gas, bloating, and diarrhea. That's what it says on the package. Associated with lactose intolerance. I'm sorry, I was losing my train of thought. So this is compared to Lactate. That's what it says on the package, just showing exactly what it says. And this is a box of 180, and they have different configurations on here as well. And I actually want to show you what they look like. I've got to actually open them up. So these are not chewables, just so you know. Okay, you don't chew these, you swallow these, number one. Super important. You don't have to chew them, you swallow them, and they are coated. So easy to swallow, they're small, and I would recommend, I think this says take 2, I believe. Let's see what it says, double check on that. Doses, let's see. Contains 1 capsule, okay, just take 1. All right, okay, serving size, 1 caplet. There's 180 in here. Okay, easy enough, I guess you just take 1. All right, cool. No, that's what it is, so just take 1. So let's show you what they look like. And I will open this up. And I want you to see, I'll get this in my hand. Yeah, just 1. I guess if you're highly issue, but you can take 2, but this is what they look like. They're very small, and they're all coated. You can see here. And they say G193 on them. That's how they're marked from the manufacturer. And again, super small, it's super easy to use, and you don't chew these, you swallow this one. Okay, guys, that's what you need to know. Definitely highly recommend these. These are fantastic. We actually, my wife uses these all the time, and this is what they are. Thanks for watching.